Hello, hi, Xposed GH, baby. I'll be amning check a subscribe and share. The name is always Bam Bruce. Ohemaa Woyeje, one of the finest female DJs or presenters Ghana has ever produced. Me say, Sa woman, they forget about the looks, man. She's on top of her game. Ofi Adam and Oba Angel. First class. Nana sense me see na intawanta wiba. Ni ehwe mu no na eye Ohemaa Woyeje na the CEO of Angel TV. Yanko Hemra.
There is no message on my phone that says I shouldn't come to work. There is no message, Obama. I see if you say my Mejuma. Me bedru ha security tax a shisha mask. Ejina gate ya no so mo maye nwuram si o se maye nwuram mo maye aduma.
On proud to you. I don't think I want to watch us some more bad.
Imagine that. So this is the current situation at Angel FM premise. Yes. No, bruh. Nadia Koso, no. You give me the phone. You give me the phone. Hey, oh, get out! If you try me, if you try me, I will not. You have been said to come and attack our lives. Oh, get out! Come. I'm holding my phone. So come and hold.
I don't know what happened, but you see, or say she's been prevented from going. Actually, another video came up. Now you talk I send yes you or anything for him.
Hey, oh, get out! If you try me, if you try me, I will not. You have been said to come and attack our lives. Oh, get out! Come. I'm holding my phone. So come and hold my phone. You come and touch my phone. Come.
Sometimes, the media houses they take with the journalists for granted. Obetimi kra ka assembly asabe mi usa nyansa bia nim. Osi o say kasa keke na woka. Trust me. Me do besia na me do sika mra nima untimi nya ne ameye no. It takes very detailed stuff to be able to even present whatever is in your head. It has to be articulate. It has to be idea obi betimi etie. It's a presentation and a media work no enye keke. Enye se ne esi na maker. But your media houses are sometimes even the pay of the media house people are. You'll be wondering. I wouldn't want to mention them, but some of the big staffs, no, they don't even pay anything. What I say? But without the media, there's no information. Information and flow. I mean, say you that you are listening to me are left in the dark because we need echo. If you are left in the dark, it means that what you'll be what exploited by the politicians, and that's what they want to do. Media. We made the media, the journalists, that's what I'm talking about. So we say studio no, na open kofogum, na sebe, whatever, machines, na obiye ni obe present here, a dead place. Number two, when you obi asebi or what dig a brand no, what building it to a point. Then obeti me or Kasan Kofo come and listen to your station or TV station won't fly. It's we and the media house, we are marriage couples. Now what do be? I am surprised. Said the CEO. I don't know what AB so no koko peka kratia you. But him I the ultimate one in chair. So whatever happened, is it the way to solve this problem? Or him Woyeje onye sabe esia abrawario. Or you be a top notch. Or you be or nim the right. Or you be standing for who she is. What I say? If even you have a problem, not Angel TV, this big organization, don't you have structures to make sure so whatever has happened can be dealt with coolly? Do you have to broadcast it for people to know, say, this is what is happening? It's a shame for Angel TV. And sometimes, I wonder, you say, Angel Christ, say, one more said to your working CA and all that. This is very shameful. Once you start, make sure say you have a plan to make sure say the thing works. You see any part say Angel whatever TV no, they don't have plan because the CEO, if idea when or bet me have a tax to come and attack a woman who is defenseless, whatever she's did, I don't care. But is it how you should approach a situation? That in the first place, he does not need to be called a CEO. Because a CEO, first of all, he has to be what we call a unifier. CEO has to be somebody who brings everybody together. Number two, he needs to be what? A sharp thinker. It means that when there are issues, he needs to solve it without bringing what? Additional issues. Where you are trying to solve a problem, but you brought what? Shame to the company. It means that you were born, you were see, you know. The third one, they say, sometimes, you can go this way, but go this way now. The implication of no and your papa. Ohemaa, also you are a big girl. As much as you are fighting for your right, sometimes the scaffold can be avoided. You are a big brand. Sometimes, when you go there, then people feel say you need your job at all costs. But Ohemaa, you are a big girl. As most of the stations will want to work with you. So you're not Angel group of company is becoming a hostile environmental move and go to another place. You don't need to be in an environment that is toxic because a juma way the odone so be juma no there's some attitude and stuff like that. You can't even work. It's munyina no but Angel, next time and just say and that you see yourself. I expose you FM Bruce. Subscribe, share, yeah, the 2 man now so I can be man was.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.